I have 120 volts. I got 20 amps. I got 6 ohms. 120 times 20 equals 2,400 watts. Divided by 1,000, we get 2.4 kilowatts, right? Now, I have a 2,400 watt device or application, right? My motor, it needs that much power. We just saw that if we have a three-phase circuit, or you can also do this in a two-phase circuit, if I have 208 volts, so I need 2,400 watts for my device, divided by 208, now I get 11.5 amps. So we can provide the same amount of power using a higher voltage, which is now going to consume less amps. So remember we were saying earlier that if we have our three-phase system, right? So I just went from needing 20 amps to now I need 11.5 amps. Why is that important? Because